If your Oral B Kids Toothbrush isn't charging, you're not alone. About 15 to 20% of these toothbrushes experience charging problems within their first 2 years of use. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your electrical outlet is working properly. The toothbrush must sit flush on the charging dock with proper alignment for the charging contacts to connect. The most common cause of charging issues is dirty or corroded charging contacts. Clean both the toothbrush base and charging dock contacts using isopropyl alcohol with 70% concentration or higher. This removes oxidation and mineral deposits that prevent proper electrical connection. Oral B Kids toothbrushes use nickel metal hydride batteries, which are sealed within the waterproof housing. These batteries typically last for 300 to 500 charge cycles before significant degradation occurs. Understanding this helps explain why older toothbrushes may have charging difficulties. Proper maintenance is crucial for preventing charging problems. Regular cleaning of charging contacts prevents 78% of charging issues, and following proper care practices can extend battery life by 40%. Weekly cleaning of contacts is recommended for optimal performance. By following these basic troubleshooting steps, checking connections, cleaning contacts, and understanding your battery, you can resolve most charging issues and keep your child's toothbrush working properly. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve charging issues, the next step is performing a complete battery reset. This process can restore proper charging function in many cases. After the toothbrush is completely discharged, place it on the charging dock and leave it charging continuously for 24 to 48 hours. This extended charging period helps reset the battery management system. Temperature plays a crucial role in battery charging efficiency. Always charge your toothbrush at room temperature, between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal results. If battery reset doesn't work, inspect your charging hardware for physical damage. Check both the charging dock and cable for cracks, fraying, or other signs of wear that could prevent proper charging. Prevention is key to avoiding future charging problems. Follow these simple maintenance practices to extend your toothbrush's lifespan and maintain reliable charging performance. Finally, know when to repair versus replace your toothbrush. For devices under 2 years old, these repair attempts are usually worthwhile. However, for older units or those with multiple component failures, replacement may be more cost-effective.